If you've ever opened a Word document and noticed awkward spacing, uneven line breaks, or text that just doesn't flow as smoothly as you want, then this quick tutorial is going to help. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable hyphenation between pages or columns in Word so your document looks cleaner, more professional, and easier to read. This is especially useful for reports, newsletters, multi-column layouts, and any document where text formatting really matters. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Microsoft Word and load the document you want to work on. Once your file is open, look up to the top left corner and click File. This opens the main Word menu where you can access all of the program settings and document options. From there, go down and click Options. This will open the Word Options window where you can adjust advanced settings that affect how your documents behave. In the Word Options window, click Advanced from the menu on the left side. This section contains a long list of settings, so don't worry if it looks a little overwhelming at first. What we want to do is scroll down until you reach the Layout Options area. Depending on your version of Word, this may be under a section related to page layout or document formatting behavior. Keep scrolling until you find the setting that allows hyphenation between pages or columns. Once you find it, check the box for Allow hyphenation between pages or columns. This setting tells Word that it can place hyphens where appropriate when text moves across pages or between columns, which helps improve readability and spacing. If you work with columns, this can make a big difference in how polished your document looks. If you're formatting a page-heavy document, it can also help reduce those awkward gaps that sometimes appear when Word is trying to fit text naturally. After you've enabled the option, click OK to save your changes. Word will immediately apply the new setting to your document and any future formatting you do in the same file. At this point, you may want to review your document and see how the text flows now that hyphenation is turned on. If needed, you can adjust your layout, column settings, or paragraph formatting to get the exact look you want. And that's it. You've now enabled hyphenation between pages or columns in Word. It only takes a few clicks, but it can make a huge difference in the appearance of your documents. If this video is helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next quick Word tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.